it gives me enormous pleasure to see my book appear in Italian. One reason is that I love Italy and everything it has given to the world, from art and culture to food and fashion. All of it superb. The other reason is that my story and its message will now reach many people in another language area, and I hope and pray will give them something worth discovering. My book is a personal story, the story of how I became very ill with one of the fastest spreading cancers, malignant melanoma, and how orthodox treatment was unable to stop its progress. Exactly 1 year after major surgery, the cancer returned. It had spread into the lymphatic system, and from there it was able to spread anywhere in the body. In other words, I was faced with the prospect of death. And then, by the grace of God, or if you like, by sheer luck, I came across a little-known alternative treatment, the Gerson therapy, which I decided to try. I thought it'll either work or it won't. But as my prospects of survival were precisely nil at that moment, I wasn't risking anything. To put you briefly into the picture, the Gerson therapy was developed over many decades of clinical work by a German physician scientist, Dr. Max Gerson, who was born in 1881 and died in 1959. He established through his work that cancer was caused by two factors: by insufficient nutrition and by toxicity, the gradual poisoning of the entire organism, human body, by the terrible pollution, which is one of the worst consequences of our so-called modern lifestyle. And therefore, health could only be re-established, saved, by hypernutrition, masses of fresh, pure, organic vegetables and fruit, and by rigorous detoxification. Well, this reasoning sounded perfectly logical to me. It certainly made more sense than having a number of operations until there was nothing else that could be cut out. And so I decided to embark on this therapy, although I knew that I would have to be on it for 2 rigorous years of hard work, monotony, and all kinds of difficulties in order to get well. But even so, I wanted to go ahead. My nearest and dearest thought that my decision was totally crazy, but they supported me anyway. That's how it started. It ended 2 years and 3 months later, when I was free from cancer, free from early stage diabetes and osteoarthritis, which I had also suffered from, together with the melanoma. And this proves, I think, that this therapy heals not a particular disease, but the whole organism. We create the ideal conditions for the body to heal itself, which it then does. I came off the therapy in March 1983, 33 years ago. It's quite a long time. And I have been very well ever since, except for growing old, but even the Gerson therapy cannot prevent that. And now I'm on the Gerson lifestyle, not the therapy anymore, and it keeps me in pretty good condition at the age of 92 years. Yes, my book is a personal story based on personal experience, but it's meant to be much more than that. Its true message and hero is the Gerson therapy itself, a method of holistic healing which allopathic medicine still has to discover. It's a method based on the unchangeable truth that unless we live according to the rules of nature, which are very different from those of our modern lifestyle, we are bound to become ill. What Dr. Gerson has left us is a wake-up call, which is today, I feel sure, more topical than ever before. I happen to follow it to save my life from cancer, but this therapy also cures a large number of chronic degenerative diseases. And it has to be said at the same time, loud and clear, but this is not a miracle cure. For a variety of reasons, there are people who don't get well on it. But on the whole, its track record is astonishingly good. And I should add that all over the world there are hundreds, if not thousands, of people who had become healthy again on the same method which I followed. On top of it all, my Italian readers will also benefit from my experience by learning how to remain healthy, if they are healthy, which I hope they are. They will learn how to look after their body, the only one they have for this lifetime. They will learn how to avoid junk food, which is very rich in chemicals and very poor in nutrients. They will not fall victim to the mass hypnosis of the consumer society and its giant corporations, which want us to buy stuff which is very good for their balance sheets and very bad for our health. In other words, you will be able to learn to live in a way that puts you in control of your life and your health. Anyway, welcome to my world and my experiences, which you will find in my book, and which I hope you will share with me. For me, the Gerson therapy was a way to save my life and to become healthy. For all of us, I hope it will remain a time to heal. Thank you.